We have so many products now on the market which will correct and help with your anti-aging concerns. But do you know what one product you need to prevent many of anti-aging issues? If you said SPF or sunscreen, you are right. In this video, I will tell you my favorite SPFs and you will be able to choose based on your skin type and concern. Make no mistake, if you are young, in your teens or 20s, or if you have a daughter at that age, this one product you should always have and use even if you do not use anything else. The summer is around the corner and hopefully you all get more time outside, even though you should always be wearing sunscreen regardless if you go outside or not, and regardless if it's summer or winter. I know many of you only wear sunscreen to the beach. I already made a video on the importance of wearing SPF all the time, which you can watch here. Hi, I'm Alla Shapiro and this is the Spa Runner channel. I'm the owner of 2 Woodhouse Day Spas in New Jersey, and on this channel I cover topics such as health, wellness and beauty. Some of the products I will be talking about are available online and the link will be provided in the description, and some you can purchase from one of the Woodhouse Day Spas. There are 2 main types of sunscreens: mineral and chemical. Mineral sunscreens, also known as physical sunscreens, use natural mineral like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide to create a physical barrier on the skin that reflects and scatters UV rays. These sunscreens are often thicker and can leave a white cast on the skin. Chemical sunscreens, on the other hand, use chemicals to absorb UV rays and convert them into heat, which is then released from the skin. These sunscreens tend to be thinner and easier to apply, but some people may have skin sensitivity to certain chemicals. Ultimately, both types of sunscreens are effective at protecting the skin from harmful UV rays, and choosing between them may come down to personal preference and skin type. Then sunscreens can be tinted or not tinted, and there is no difference in protection. It comes down to your preference. Stay until the end and I will show you the sunscreen that I personally use and tell you why I love it. Let's start with 2 sunscreens from Dr. Dennis Gross. They have 3 formulations: All Physical Ultimate Defense SPF 50, All Physical Lightweight Wrinkle Defense SPF 30, and Instant Radiant Sun Defense Tinted SPF 40. All these SPF are 100% mineral and protect from UVA and UVB rays. If you wanted a tinted SPF, choose Instant Radiance SPF 40. Not only it will protect you from the sun, but it will also hydrate and reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. All Physical SPF 50 contains tranexamic acid, which will help fight hyperpigmentation. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which will keep your skin hydrated. All Physical Lightweight SPF 30 is great under makeup, good for all skin types. Dr. Dennis Gross SPF are priced at $42, which I think is super reasonable. Next is SkinCeuticals. If you watch my channel, you know I am impartial to this line, and SkinCeuticals has a number of different SPF products available. They have physical and chemical products, and they also have an SPF for the eye area, which is hard to find, but the eye area is more sensitive, so you do need to use a different product than regular SPF that you use on your face. I will not cover all the different SPF products because they are comparable to others, but there are 2 products that are different and I want to talk about them. First is a Physical Eye UV Defense SPF 50, which is $32. I don't know about you, but my eye area is super sensitive and I can't just put regular SPF under my eyes. This is why I use this product. It is 100% mineral, and in addition to protecting, it also brightens the eye area. You can also use it on the lid. Another product that I think is different from other products on the market is Daily Brightening UV Defense SPF 30. Not only it is an SPF, it is a serum as well, and it evens out the skin tone and hydrates the skin. It is lightweight and does not leave a residue. It contains tranexamic acid and niacinamide. Like I promised at the beginning of the video, here is the product that I use the most. Dr. Babor Protect RX Mineral Sunscreen. Why do I like this? It's because it's mineral, so basically protects you from UVA and UVB light. And this particular formulation is quickly absorbs into the skin and comfortable to be worn by itself or under makeup. Another and most important reason is that I break out from most other SPFs, so if your skin is sensitive to SPF products, this product is great. I like this for all skin types. It is 30 ml and the price is $52.90. Now let's go through how to apply your products correctly. First, you cleanse your face. Apply your morning serum, then apply your morning moisturizer. Wait a few minutes so your products are well absorbed into the skin. I usually do my hair at this time and then apply my SPF last. You should use a generous amount of SPF and do reapply throughout the day, as it does rub off when you touch your face and when you sweat. SPF is super important in preventing aging and skin cancer. Do not forget to apply it on your ears as well as on your face, on your eyes, and on top of your hands. For more information on health, wellness, and beauty, please watch this video next.